Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to replace the battery on a Buick Enclave. First, gather your essential tools, which typically include a 10mm wrench, a 13mm socket, and a T20 Torx driver. Always prioritize your safety by wearing protective glasses and gloves. Before you begin, ensure your vehicle is completely off and has had time to cool down, preventing any accidental shocks or burns. To begin the process, slide the front passenger seat all the way forward and carefully remove any floor mats from the area. Next, you will unclip and lift the plastic access panel that covers the battery compartment. Using your 10mm wrench, loosen and then remove the negative battery cable first, followed by the positive cable. Gently push these cables aside to ensure they are clear of your workspace. Now, locate the 13mm bolt that secures the battery hold-down clamp and remove it. Once the clamp is completely off, carefully lift the old battery out of its compartment. Be aware that car batteries are quite heavy, often weighing between 40 and 60 pounds. Take a moment to clean any corrosion or debris from the battery tray. Then, gently lower your new battery into the tray, making sure it sits flat and is stable. With the new battery securely in place, reattach and tighten the hold-down clamp using your 13mm socket. Next, it's crucial to connect the positive battery cable first, followed by the negative cable, tightening both connections firmly with your 10mm wrench. Finally, replace the plastic access panel and reposition the floor mats. You can now start your vehicle to confirm the battery replacement was successful.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.